Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dee of Sew Hot Mommy, and if you're new here, I'm all about all things fashion, especially fashion that you make. And as you see, everything behind me, I made. So let's get right to it. I love bags, especially totes. So my latest purchase, I'm going to show you and do a quick review, and that is this Telfar bag. Just purchased it. Absolutely love it. I cannot say that this is my first one, but this is one of my more recent ones. So this is in the color tan. Yeah, I know it looks a little bit more deeper brown, but this is considered tan. The size on this is the medium. And so I got my cheat sheet here. 11 inches in height, 15 inches in width. The depth on this is 5.5. The hand drop, the hand drop is 5.5, and the shoulder drop is 21. I'll say this about Telfar bags. Some people sort of have an issue with the straps. I don't. First took me a second to get used to it, but now I love it. And do a quick mod shot. I'm 5'4", so this is me very simply holding it over my arm, or quickly throw it over the shoulder just like this. Absolutely love this bag. Okay, so let's get to the newest one I bought. And one reason I love these bags is because it's a nice alternative to some of the more pricier versions of things going on. So at any rate, okay, so let's get to it. This is my latest purchase. Just got it. I'm laying the eyes on it for the first time, me and you together. So, right. So each of your Telfar bags comes in this great zipper bag, which you can reuse for a lot of stuff. The dust cover obviously has the fantastic logo, which I think is great. Simple design. It's 100% cotton. Love it. Very functional. You can use it for so many things. So what color did I get? I got medium leaf green. Absolutely love it. Why do I love this? Because for some reason this green is almost like a neutral to me. It's like not vibrant, not out there, and you could just pair it with a lot. It's just a real classic kind of color. So this is how it comes packaged. It's laid flat, and then it's got this Velcro tie. I save these because I use them for other things. All right, so let's get into the bag itself. This is vegan faux leather, so it's not leather. This is the Telfar logo. It's embossed. I'm 5'4". I'll do a quick model shot so you can see what it looks like. So this is it. And then you can just quickly throw the shoulder straps like this. I use these bags a lot. So I'll say this, love my luxury bags. I'm an LV lover, and so if you're just not willing to toss out a couple $1,000s for a bag and you want something that is everyday functional or cute, this is a great bag. It comes in 2 other sizes, small and large, but this is the size that I tend to favor. What I love is also that it's like candy. It comes in a ton of colors, but if you are trying to purchase one, you got to be on it. I follow them on IG, so they will post when they're about to drop a color, and usually it's at noon. You need to be on the site right then and there because the bags sell out quickly. So this is actually my third one. You saw the tan, the medium green, and then I have the bubblegum pink. So in terms of the interior, is a twill. I hope you can see it. It has one interior pocket, you can see here, and then it has magnet closure, just like that. It's perfect for a small laptop. I can throw pretty much a ton of stuff in here, especially if I'm going to work or just have a lot of stuff that I want to carry or not. And again, you can just throw this over here like that. So that is my latest purchase. Absolutely love it. And so thanks for stopping by. Hit like, subscribe, and always thank you for stopping by.